students. In this video, we are going to see 10 practice problem, Unit 4 la estimation. All these 10 questions are asked in the previous question paper, part 33. Question number 1. Maximum likelihood estimators are always option A unbiased estimator, option B consistent estimator, option C sufficient estimator, option D efficient estimator. Here the correct answer is option C sufficient estimators. Here some of the questions you may think it will already repeated or the video in question repeat aramar. So the same question is asked in the previous year question paper. Let us move to the question number 2. The sufficient condition for consistency is 4 option கொடுத்திருக்கு. இதில் நம்ம correct answer option D. Expectation of Tn tends to gamma of delta as n tends to infinity and variance of Tn tends to 0 as n tends to infinity. Let us move to the next question. Question number 3. Which one of the following is the correct Kramer-Rao inequality? நாலு ஆப்ஷன் கொடுத்துருக்கு. Kramer-Rao inequality ஃபார்முலா தெளிவாக படிச்சுக்கணும். Variance of T is always greater than or equal to d by theta gamma theta the whole square divided by expectation of dou by dou theta log L the whole square. So இது important formula Kramer-Rao inequality. We should be thorough with the formula for Kramer-Rao inequality. Let us move to the next question. Question number 4. If x1, x2, x3 up to xn is a random sample from a population normal n of 0, sigma square, then sufficient statistic for sigma square is. So the sufficient statistic is in sigma xi square. Correct answer is option B. Sigma xi square is the sufficient statistic. Question number 5. If a sufficient statistics exist and it is a function of the sufficient statistics exist, அது எதோட function maximum likelihood estimator. So maximum likelihood estimator and the sufficient statistic. Sufficient statistic maximum likelihood ரெண்டுமே நமக்கு இது இருக்கு. Let us move to the next question. Question number 6. Sufficient statistics means maximum likelihood estimator. Maximum likelihood estimator and sufficient statistic. Two questions are asked from this concept. Question number 6. An estimator Tn is said to be a sufficient statistic for a parametric function gamma of theta if it consists all the information in the dash regarding the parameter. Option A parametric function, option B population, option C sample, option D function of sample. Okay, the correct answer is option C sample. Let us move to the next question. Question number 7. The efficiency of any unbiased estimator will also be defined as the ratio of all option கொடுத்திருக்கு. The correct answer is option D. The efficient estimator and the actual variance. Option D is the correct answer. So question number 8. If T1 is an unbiased minimum variance estimate and T2 is another unbiased estimate with variance sigma square by E, then correlation coefficient between T1 and T2 is. So T1 வந்து unbiased minimum variance estimate னு கொடுத்திருக்கு. T2 வந்து another unbiased estimate, அதோட variance வந்து sigma square by E னு கொடுத்திருக்கு. இந்த ரெண்டுக்கும் correlation coefficient என்னென்ன? The correct answer is option D root E. Question number 9. In Rao-Blackwell theorem, if x and y are random variable with mean mu and variance sigma square and expectation of y given x is equal to pi of x, then value of expectation of x is equal to dash and variance of y is greater than or equal to. So இதில் expectation of pi of x ஓட value mu and variance of y will be greater than or equal to variance of pi of x. The correct answer is option C. Let us move to the last question of this video. Question number 10. For factorization theorem is founded by option A Neyman, option B Pearson, option C Cook, option D Rao. Here the correct answer is factorization theorem is founded by Neyman. Option A is the correct one. Thank you students. If you like this video, share it with your friends. Thank you.